Yes, if you ask me the other significant aspects about the wonderful film The Life of Pi is about stories. In the film, at the end, Pi asked the writer a question whether he believed. Yeah, his sensitivity at a creative level could accept it, whereas the ship agency people could not believe it. So people want stories, believable stories. But surprisingly, such believable stories can even be the most incredible magical stories. Like people have created marvelous, magical, miracle stories about incredible human beings, most well known like Jesus or Krishna or Buddha. Generally, they can accommodate the wonder of their life into their mediocre stack of ordinary intelligence. Because people themselves have never been allowed to trust, believe, or proceed according to the little rudiments of wonders in their own life. If someone happens to talk about the little wonder, even to the closest friend or parents, they themselves would be the first to deny that. Like the modern parents do not allow their children or restrict the life of their children in the confines of the very ordinary, mediocre stories of the majority, and preventing them from all kinds of possible, probable wonders of unique experiences. You see, as I told you before, only uniqueness can lead to unique path of life. So, that story of wonder, possible, probable with almost everyone's life, is never noticed, or if at all noticed, it is explained in a very acceptable ordinary story or a special story. For instance, in my own research, perhaps in the beginning of this year, I went to the so-called National Institute of Advanced Studies in Bangalore. I met the director, asking for a seminar to their students, where all kinds of people from all walks of life give their seminars to unique group of students who have joined the unique programs. And he did not even offer a chance to talk to them, because I didn't have a so-called credible story about me to present before him. So that's the way. So you need that socially acceptable, credible stories, which can even be incredible, but it should be socially acceptable. But the point here is more or less the same as I said before, that parents restrict the schooling or even higher education, including management education, restrict the experience of the students within the boundaries of ordinariness, credible stories, logically explainable experiences. That's a real tragedy of the great engines of intellect provided to the greatest species on earth. What a paradox.